Welcome to Best Choice. The best Ware Manufacturing is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked aspects of modern business, impacting everything from product quality and customer satisfaction to operational efficiency and overall brand reputation. In today's competitive landscape, choosing the right manufacturing partner can be the deciding factor between a thriving enterprise and one that struggles to keep pace, making this decision a critical one for any company aiming for long-term success and market leadership. Number 5. Ware Manufacturing Rice Pop Small Animal Chew Treat. Introducing a crispy, crunchy chew that is irresistible to your small pets. It's a wholesome combination of texture and flavor they'll love. Made from rice and corn, this treat not only satisfies their cravings but also promotes clean and healthy teeth. Give them a snack that's good for them. Is your small pet feeling bored in their cage? This chew treat is designed to help overcome that boredom and keep them entertained. You can offer this treat by hand for a special bonding moment. It also conveniently fits on the Ware Treat kebab for easy access. These delicious, small-sized pops are perfectly sized for your little companions. They'll find them absolutely irresistible. Crafted with a wholesome combination of rice and corn, this chew provides both crunchiness and flavor. It's a treat you can feel good about giving. What we like. These are a delightful, crispy chew made from rice and corn. They are perfect for keeping your small pet's teeth healthy and preventing boredom. If you have a small animal like a hamster or gerbil and want to provide a fun, healthy treat, these are a great choice. What people say. The product works as expected. The design is functional and meets the user's needs. Key features of the product include its durability and ease of use. Number 4. Ware Manufacturing Lock and Litter Small Pet Pan. Introducing the scatterless lock and litter pan, designed to keep your pet's space clean and tidy. It effectively locks to prevent messy spills and scattered litter. Crafted from durable plastic, this pan is resistant to stains and odors. Its design makes it easy to remove and clean, ensuring a hygienic environment for your pet. Tired of overturned pans and scattered litter? This innovative pan locks securely to the cage, eliminating messes and keeping your pet's area neat. Featuring a plastic guard and wire floor, it helps keep your pet's feet clean and dry. Say goodbye to tracked litter around the cage. It easily attaches to any wire cage, providing a stable and secure solution. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it stays in place. Measuring 12 to 34 W x 9 to 14 D x 6 H, it's perfectly sized for small pets. Its thoughtful design ensures comfort and cleanliness. What we like. This litter pan features a unique scatterless design that locks securely to the cage, preventing messy spills. Its durable plastic construction is stain and odor resistant, and it's easy to remove for cleaning. If you're tired of cleaning up scattered litter and want a more contained and hygienic solution for your small pet's cage, this is the pan for you. What people say. The product is made of durable materials. The design is sleek and modern. It functions as advertised and is easy to use. Number 3. Ware Manufacturing Jumbo Pet Pan. Tired of overturned pans and scattered litter? This innovative design locks securely to your pet's cage, keeping everything contained. Crafted from durable, stain and odor-resistant plastic, this pan is built to last. Cleaning is a breeze, saving you time and effort. The integrated plastic guard and wire floor work together to keep your pet's feet clean and dry. No more tracking litter around the house. Designed to attach easily to any wire cage, installation is simple. It's also easy to remove for quick cleaning or refilling. This jumbo-sized pan offers ample space for your pet's comfort. Its generous dimensions ensure they have plenty of room. While the colors may vary, the functionality remains the same. You'll receive a high-quality pan that meets all your needs. What we like. This is a larger version of the popular scatterless litter pan, offering more space for your pet. It also locks to the cage to prevent messes and is made from durable, easy-to-clean plastic. If you have a larger small animal or want to provide extra room in the litter area, this jumbo pan is an excellent upgrade. What people say. The product is well made and sturdy. It was easy to assemble and works great. I love the design and how functional it is. Number 2. Ware Manufacturing Lock and Litter Jumbo Pan. Introducing the Jumbo Lock and Litter Pan, designed with a spacious interior to comfortably accommodate bigger pets. Its generous dimensions ensure ample room for your companions. This pan is thoughtfully designed to cater to households with multiple pets. It provides a convenient solution for shared living spaces. Enjoy peace of mind with its secure attachment system that locks firmly onto the cage, preventing messy spills. Cleaning is also a breeze as it slides out effortlessly. Crafted from durable, high-quality plastic, this pan is resistant to stains and odors. It's built to last, maintaining a fresh environment for your pets. Experience a cleaner, more manageable pet environment with this innovative lock-in system. It effectively prevents spills and keeps messes contained. Measuring 16 to 12 inches wide, 10 to 14 inches deep, and 8 inches high, it offers substantial space. This ensures your pets have plenty of room to move and rest comfortably. What we like. Designed with a jumbo size, this pan is ideal for multiple small pets or those who need extra space. It securely attaches to the cage and features a convenient slide-out design for easy cleaning. If you have a multi-pet household or a larger small pet that requires more litter area, this pan offers both space and convenience. What people say. This is a great product for the price. I love this product, it is so easy to use and works perfectly. The product is well made and durable. Number 1. Ware Manufacturing Gorilla Chew Large. Meet the large, long-lasting wood chew designed for your dog. It's made from natural wood for a satisfying chewing experience. These chews are built to be durable and provide extended enjoyment for your pet. They are designed to withstand vigorous chewing. This large wood chew actively supports your pet's dental and gum care. It's a great way to promote a healthy mouth. Owners love that it doesn't get smelly or stain carpets. You can feel confident letting your dog enjoy it anywhere. Measuring approximately 6 inches wide by 5 inches long, it's safe for all breeds and ages. Give your dog a safe and strong chew. What we like. This is a large, natural wood chew designed for dogs. It's incredibly durable, helps maintain your dog's dental and gum health, and importantly, it doesn't get smelly or stain your carpets. If you have a dog that loves to chew and you're looking for a long-lasting, mess-free chew toy that also benefits their oral hygiene, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The product works well and has a good design. The product has a useful function and feature. The product is made of high-quality materials. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.